The Pi network is a somewhat weird case in the realm of digital currencies. It has gathered a considerable amount of consideration and interest, but you can't get it anyplace. The Pi coin has not been recorded on any crypto or non-crypto trade yet, and the best way to get it, basically for the present, is to mine it. Regardless of not having a cost at this point, the Pi coin has a ton of devoted fans. The undertaking's basic reason and strong specialized establishment have proactively drawn in a significant number of crypto lovers. The Pi network has a functioning local area, and its client base continues to become dramatically step by step. Presently, the principal question remains, will the Pi coin at any point arrive at trades and offer its holders a chance to cash out? Also, assuming that occurs, what sort of cost could clients at any point hope to get for their newly mined Pi crypto? The Pi network project is very interesting. Not just has Pi ascended to distinction while not in any event being recorded at this point, yet it additionally is notable for being somewhat simple to mine. As per its engineers, the Pi coin is the main digital currency that can be mined completely on one's cell phone. One simply has to download the Pi network application and get a greeting code from one of the current confided individuals. To begin procuring the Pi digital currency, open the application once like clockwork and snap on the lightning button to begin mining. There are different ways of speeding up. Prior individuals get higher rates, and you can welcome confided in loved ones to join the Pi application for a little reward. Moreover, following 3 days of mining, you can assemble your security circle to support your profit as well as the general security of the Pi organization. Every individual can have one Pi account, and 25% of all Pi coins have been apportioned to the Pi Center group. The venture has as of late sent off a shut mainnet, meaning just individuals inside the Pi environment can as of now use Pi for exchanging, purchasing, and selling until further notice. To purchase or exchange Pi coins, one necessitates to pass the KIC check first, the choice for which is irregular. The Pi network group is wanting to have a mass KIC check soon and anticipates that its clients should be finished with it toward the finish of WAC 2022. Pi coin value forecast 2022 to 2027. At present, it appears to be possible that the Pi organization will begin getting recorded on trades in the last part of 2022. On the off chance that that truly does to be sure occur, we will at long last see the cost of the Pi coin transcend $0. Interestingly, generally, when such a popular and notable venture becomes recorded its cost skyrockets in the initial not many days or weeks. As individuals hurry to get involved with the new conceivable huge thing, the appeal will push the market cap and the Pi's team up. Nonetheless, such cost revitalizes seldom keep going long. Generally speaking, the digital currency crashes a couple of days after the underlying mooning because of individuals attempting to offer off their coins to create a fast gain. The inquiry is, will the equivalent happen to the Pi coin? In our Pi network cost forecast, we investigated both Pi's assets and shortcomings and the value history of digital forms of money with comparative use cases. Furthermore, we additionally needed to consider what will happen to the crypto market from here on out and how Pi could squeeze into the crypto circle before long. Kindly note that this is all unadulterated hypothesis. We've made this Pi network cost forecast in light of the presumption that the digital currency will send off an open mainnet in June 2022 as expected. Pi coin value forecast 2022. As per our presumption that Pi's cost will pursue the very directions that numerous other altcoins do, this digital currency will have a meeting in the final part of 2022. On the off chance that the open mainnet is sent off according to plan, we could see the Pi coin being recorded on trades in July 2022. Pi coin value expectation 2023. 2023 may be the year that the crypto business bounce back and recuperates from the ongoing bear market. The Pi coin is probably going to follow any market blasts that happen, so 2023 could see its value ascending to new all-time highs. Also, the general publicity for crypto can incredibly help the Pi digital money. It is amateur cordial, allowed to mine, and is associated with the Pi number. Assuming the promotion happens in late winter of 2023, its group can publicize actually on Pi Day. Another thing to note while making any future Pi coin value expectation is that it tends to be very worthwhile for organizations to put resources into and embrace. For instance, it fits the standards Elon Musk has set for a cryptographic money that might possibly turn into an installment medium in Tesla. Pi coin value expectation 2024. Our cost expectation for 2024 is that the Pi crypto will keep on rising. As we have referenced already, any kind of publicity in the crypto local area can extraordinarily help this computerized cash, supporting its cost. On the off chance that the market doesn't recuperate and remains at a similar level it is presently, we don't see Pi turning out to be inconceivably productive, however it can in any case be a wise venture. All things considered, in the event that you obtained it for $0, any value the Pi crypto arrives voluntarily give you a benefit. Pi coin value forecast 2025. What will Pi be worth in 2025? In the event that all works out as expected, the cryptographic money will probably remain generally at a similar cost level for some time, similarly as numerous altcoins do. Under this situation, Pi will possibly rise when the market is blasting or when it gets siphoned by the local area or the devs. Obviously, in case it gets seen by a superstar or a major business, Pi's cost could rise dramatically, possibly in any event, going more than the $1. That, at the ongoing assessed circling supply of 40M, which will just increment with time, would put its market cap generally at a similar number as the ongoing business sector capitalization of XRP. Pi coin value forecast 2026. Our Pi coin cost expectation for 2026 is that the cryptographic money will figure out how to arrive at highs it has not seen previously. All things considered, we expect that this task will earn more consideration as years go by, so just regular its cost will rise. The way that the Pi network has taken on a versatile first methodology will help it later on. The computerized world is gradually exchanging away from utilizing laptops to tablets and cell phones. Despite the fact that it is almost difficult to make a genuine Pi coin value expectation and name the Pi coin's future value, we can perceive that it can possibly become one of the main computerized coins. Pi coin value expectation 2027. What will happen to the Pi organize in 5 years? Indeed, the truth will come out eventually. In the event that all works out in a good way and the coin gets recorded as arranged as well as endures the accidents that will undoubtedly follow its previous conventions, then, at that point, this computerized money gets an opportunity to get by till 2027 and, surprisingly, become beneficial for every one of its